Long time no see. It's been a while, right? Actually, in this video, let's talk about why I stopped posting. Yeah, there is some good news. The thing here is, when I posted my last video, I think that's about Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. After I posted that, I already wrote some scripts to make another video, for example, like Gemini Live. Actually, Gemini Live is available on all devices. Actually, I want to make a video and I only wrote the script also. But unfortunately, the good thing is I got an offer letter from HCL Tech after 2 months. So, yeah, I'm starting a new position in HCL Tech. After the receiving of the joining letter, I shifted to Chennai. Yes. After coming to the Chennai, it's been a tough task to find some PGs good. Actually, I stayed in one PG, but that food wasn't satisfied me. But after that, after 3 days, I shifted to another PG here. The environment was nice. So I'm planning to make videos on every Saturday, and I want to release it on Sunday. Before coming to Chennai, I planned to post a video every 2 days, but due to some timings of my office, it will not work. So I just plan to post a video on every Sunday. I started working on every Saturday. So kindly help me with this. Thank you. Bye bye.